So welcome to the last part of this Great Centrail Mainline day out. That way, we've been heading up from Lutterworth from in that direction. Okay, so that way is disused, but this way is far from disused. This is the Great Centrail Railway, preserved railway, heritage railway, whichever one you want to label it as. See, that's an old carriage, but it's really not an old carriage, is it? And this is the Leicester North terminus. I don't think it's an original station. There was, in fact, I'll take you up the other end and show you, because there was another station here. I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head, but it wasn't on the same footprint that we're seeing now. So as you'd expect, preserved railway, lovingly restored, beautifully kept, lots of memorabilia scattered about. The reason we've come here is because, just looking at my watch, we are expecting the last train of the day to be coming in, and I do believe, look at the timetable, it is scheduled to be a steam train. I said I couldn't remember what the name of the station that used to be in this location is. It's right in front of my eyes there. Belgrave and Birstall. So we'll just fetch you down to the end of the platform. It's the platform ramp there. Not going to go past that sign. See the bridge there? I'll zoom in on that bridge. And you can see, like all the other stations on this line, and the ones we've seen today as well, haven't we, at Lutterworth, it's got a central platform, an island platform with the running lines going either side. So you can see on the bridge, you can see the archway there and the bricked up walkway, and that's where the steps would have come down to the centre platform. If you want a working example of what they used to look like on the Great Centrail, visit somewhere like Cornham Woodhouse station, just further up. That is a perfect example of what we've been describing. Or even visit Rothley, just up the line, which has an almost identical setup. We're always on the lookout for disused things wherever we are, we think. You can see the... Oh, what's the word? What's the word for...
Recess.
Recess! Yeah. I couldn't remember the word. We're suspecting that possibly could have been a signal box. It's big for a signal box though, Jim.
Well, there's one at Rugby, which is exactly the same.
It's hardly a major junction here, is it?
No.
It's not a bad way to end the day, is it, that?
No.
Nice little smell to stain your nostrils.
Got a bit of steam at the end of the day. Showing the cafe was closed.
Yeah. Yeah, I could do with a cup of tea now. It's starting to go a bit nippy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just starting to get, just getting cool now.
So this is on top of the bridge now. This is the bridge over the old station. looking down there to the existing modern day station. And that Class 9F just waiting to pull out. It seems a little bit isolated there. Wondering if there was a building attached to that. I'll have to dig out some details, but that's from the other side. You can see quite obvious there, they've used red brick, apart the side of the blue brick, just to block up the entrance to the stairway. Look at the ornamental design there. The original Belgrave and Birstall station opened in 1899 upon opening of the main line. It closed in 1963 after the wind down of the Great Centrail Railway. In the following years it suffered from vandalism until it was unfortunately demolished between 1977 and the late 1980s. The new station of Leicester North, where we have just seen, was opened in 1991, slightly south of the original station. Looking back the other way. So, as the map confirmed, a line either side with an island platform behind us though, obviously, facing the other way. This is looking back north, so towards Loughborough. So that's the end of part 5, and that's the end of the series we've had. It seems like forever. This morning we were
great,
at Lutterworth.
Yeah.
Got so much in today.
It's been fantastic.
Done Lutterworth, had a look around there, the old station site.
Yeah.
I can't remember what else we've done.
We did Dunton Bassett.
Tunnel.
Then we went to Whetstone Viaduct.
Yeah. M1 bridge.
The last GCR bridge over the M1.
Constable in Leicester.
Yeah, and then we were on the viaducts in Leicester, and we found the goods yard, the old goods yard. Did the viaducts, and then we've come out here.
Yeah, so it's nice end to the day.
Taking us all day.
It's good to see one of those big old 9F steam locomotives actually in use on part of the Great Centrail Railway, even though it is a heritage railway.
It wasn't supposed to be on today either.
Was it not?
No, that guy said it wasn't supposed to be on. They're supposed to have a different one on, but it wasn't working, so they put that on instead. So we were lucky, really.
Bonus, yeah. Nice to see it. Lovely sound. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed it. As always, take care. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. And we'll see you soon.
You will.